All right, guys, we made it. We are at Red Hill Cutlery, Bourbon and Blades. We're gonna go in, we're gonna take a look around, but we got the stage over there for the concerts later on. The distillery is right behind, Boundary Oak Distillery, right behind the awnings over there. I'm sure, oh, there's the stage right there. Can you see it? Back there, there it is. But I'm sure we will make our way over to the distillery at some point. You got the large case knife out by the sign. But yeah, let's go inside and check out what Red Hill Cutlery has to offer. Look, we buy collections. Nice. They do for engraving for what? 12 bucks? All right. Holler, but something goes down. It's a pretty nice little store, to be honest. I've already been in, checked things out. I'll show you guys around. Got a large case knife booth. I did not burst into flames the first time I walked by it, so that's good. That's good. I managed to stay all right. But large case knife selection. I mean, it's still going. More case knives. But got some Rosecraft. Excellent. Got some Rosecraft selection. ZT. Kershaw. More on the wall. Got some Spyderco. Of course, we got the buck knives. We'll go around here. And we've got our commemorative Bourbon and Blades knives already picked out. That's why we were here early, got those. So those are all picked out. I will be honest, and I know I did the poll with which one you guys would want between the Spitfire and the 110. Well, I got one of each. So you'll get to choose which one you want. So got some swag there, of course, t-shirts. Got some Baron Sun back there. Zippo. Oh, we got the Halloween knives. I'll have to show you that one right there. The Sasquatch knife. Oh, Father got his Sasquatch knife, so that's good. Let's see, we got some more Baron Sun over here. Bear Ops. And it's not a big store, but they've got quite an interesting selection, a good selection of knives. Of course, we got the Microtechs back here. What do we got here? Microtechs are down a little bit. Look at them fishing lure knives. Those are pretty wild. Of course, you got the Cold Steel. And of course, you know, I was right here. Yeah, buddy, look at that. We got the Finch case. They got a pretty decent selection of Finch knives. Got some Wheat State Cutlery. Going well. There's the Microtechs, of course. More on the wall. We got cases on the wall. We got cases everywhere. CRKT. Very nice. Got cases. We got some Kubey back here. There's some Kubey knives. Oh, I wonder, do we see any of those Tempest Kubeys back there? No, maybe not. Maybe not. Sorry. More CRKT. Some Rucos, some James brand. Got those. These guys are kind of interesting. I was looking at these early. They're all made with like nuts and bolts and stuff. That's pretty crazy. Got an alien. Motorcycle. Pretty cool. Got lots of Boker racks there. We'll have some Boker knives coming up on the channel pretty soon. Let's see, we got Browning, Schrade, Imperial, Blackhawk knives back here. Oh, that thing's, we got the little, try to get back here. We got the little Red Hill Cutlery truck. That's pretty cool. And then they have a museum back here. Of course, we have the Benchmades. Nice little sitting area. Couple of chairs. TV. But we've got the museum up here. I'll do a little video on its own of the museum and just kind of give you a quick look around of that too. But we're kind of just making our way through the store, just a little walking tour. I know you can't tell me stop and look at that, but we got some Victorinox back here. And then we've got t-shirts and candles and all sorts of stuff. But this is a pretty cool store, guys. Like I said, first time down here. Very cool. Hope you guys get an opportunity to visit Red Hill Cutlery at some point. Pretty cool little store. But you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and we're gonna go see what else we can find. But talk to you later. Bye-bye.